stars in the skies. And I swear, like a shadow that's by your side.
You see, although uniting is an instantaneous event, becoming one is a lifelong process. Because whereas uniting is about possessions and legalities, becoming one is about the union of your souls and your dreams, your hopes for the future, your individual goals, your shared goals, your strengths, your weaknesses, your very lives.
'Cause I stand beside you through the years. You'll only cry those happy tears. And though I make mistakes, I'll give you everything I can. I'll build your dreams with these two hands. We'll hang some memories on the wall. And when just the two of us are there, you won't have to ask it.
A marriage is the union of three souls in a triangle. Kallen, you are at one base, Chelsy, you are at the other, and God in his rightful place is on top. Just remember, as you go closer to God, you will inevitably go closer to each other.
I swear, by the moon and the stars and the skies, I'll be there. I'll be there. I swear, like a shadow that's by your side, I'll be there. I'll be there. For better or worse, till death do us part. I love you with every beat of my heart.
I, Kallen, take you, Chelsy, to be my wife,
I, Chelsy, take you, Kallen, to be my husband.
to have and to hold from this day forward,
For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish,
all the days of my life.
until death do us part.
I swear, by the moon and the stars and the sky.
I therefore pronounce that you are husband and wife. Kallen, you may kiss your bride.
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Spent so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait till the morning, because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends, and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. Send my best friend an apologetic text, he says to come over. Well, the whole damn town has been waiting for the day when you would come back here. There was dancing and talking and steaks on the grill, and I think that I will be alright. And my ex from high school still looks just the same as she did back in 2009. Not gonna wait till the morning, let's never put the night on ice. Never put the night on ice.